Hey guys, in today's video I will show you how to fill layer with color in Photopea. Open an image or document where you want to fill layer with color. Identify a layer that you want to fill with color, click on the layer to select it, go to Tools menu on the left hand side and locate Tool Magic Wand. Click and hold this tool to reveal menu options. Select Quick Selection tool from this menu. Use Quick Selection tool to click on the area of a layer you want to fill with color. This will create selection outline around the area. Once selection is made, go to the top of interface and find Layer menu. In the Layer menu, select New Layer Fill. Choose Color Fill from options provided. In the dialog box will appear where you can choose the color you want to fill. Pick your desired color and click OK. After selecting color, layer will be filled with chosen color. Check layer to ensure it has been successfully filled with selected color. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video.